You want to take that bandage off the arm?
Yeah.
Hey Jesse, did you get Owie?
Yes.
Yeah. But you got a really cool teddy bear though, huh? Do you like it? You're doing awesome too, you know that?
Yeah.
Does it hurt? Yeah.
That was no to stretch.
No, they're gonna fix it in a minute, okay?
Can I do stretch now?
They'll stretch it. They'll stretch it out and then they'll make it long. Is this your long arm? Did she say it was super long? Yeah, they're gonna make your goofy arm straight like that one again. You okay?
Mommy, what's wrong on my feet?
You want your socks, buddy? I got them in my pocket.
You want your socks on your feet? Yeah. You say thank you? Yeah.
I'll put them on for you. See if I can break your foot while I'm there.
What do you say?
Put them back on so your feet don't stink as bad, right, buddy?
I love you.
Oh, yeah.
You want to play a game?
No.
Oh. Are you sure?
Alright, buddy. Hang in there. Maybe it was your socks. Alright.
That's... No, what's on my stuff?
It's probably dirt. I'm running around the yard. I'm from mommy to cut the yard.
You're so strong. You haven't been crying at all, huh? Yeah.
Do some laundry for me.
You little stinker. Crazy kid.